Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9 third lesson coordinate geometry exercise 3.2. See first question, what is there? Write the answers of each of the following questions. See here, what is the first question? What is the name of the horizontal and vertical lines drawn to the determined position of any point in the Cartesian plane? What is a Cartesian plane? See here in this graph, this horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is y-axis, and positive numbers, negative numbers, upside positive numbers, downside negative numbers. This full system is called Cartesian system. So these all information I explained full detail in introduction video. You can watch it. Next, here what asking? Horizontal line name what? In this Cartesian plane, what is the line, horizontal line name? What is the vertical line name? See here, this is the horizontal line. This horizontal line is called x-axis. First answer, horizontal line is called x-axis. Next, again asking vertical line. This is a vertical line. Vertical line is called y-axis. Okay, this is a y-axis. Horizontal line, x-axis. Vertical line is the y-axis. First answer is finished. Next, what is the name of the each part of the plane formed by these two lines? See here, x-axis, y-axis, here form quadrants. This is called quadrants. Here, names of the each part of the plane formed by two lines. See here, x-axis, y-axis, they are meeting is here four parts. This is called quadrants. Formed by these two lines, quadrants. First, second, third, fourth quadrants. You are asking only names. What is the name of the each part of plane formed by these two lines? Formed means what is the answer? Second answer is quadrant. Quadrant. It is called quadrant. This part is called quadrant. Second answer is finished. Next, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. This line intersecting point. This intersecting point is called origin. This point is called origin. This much only answer. First answer, this horizontal line x-axis, vertical line y-axis, and this four parts is called, second answer is this four parts is called quadrants. Quadrant. Next, this midpoint meeting point is called, this line meeting point is called, third answer is origin. Okay. Now second question. See the figure and write the following. You see the diagram and write these all the answers. So we will see this diagram and we will write the answers. See here horizontal line x dash, vertical line y dash is there. Here some plottings also is there. We will see this diagram and we will write the answers. Carefully listen. First question, what is there? The coordinates of B. Where is the B? Here B. We will write the coordinates of B. B coordinates means first we will see x-axis, next we will see the y-axis. See here, x-axis, where is the B is there? This is the B. See here, x-axis points, what is there here? X-axis points 5. See here 2 coordinates. This x-axis point minus 5. Minus 5. Next, y-axis point 2. Minus 5, 2. See here, B coordinates. First you see x plus minus 5, y plus 2. So this coordinates, what is there? B coordinates minus 5, 2. So first answer I am writing here, see, minus 5, 2 is the answer. Next, the coordinates of C. Where is the C? Here C is there. The coordinates of C means first we will see the x-axis, 5. Y-axis minus 5. So here I am writing, see, first x-axis coordinate 5. Next y-axis coordinate minus 5. 5 minus 5 is the answer. C coordinates 5 minus 5. So you write here 5 minus 5 is the answer. So C coordinates 5 and minus 5. This answer is finished. Next, see, the point identified by the coordinates minus 3, minus 5. Minus 3, minus 5, plotting point you have to write. Where is there minus 3? You see the x-axis minus 3, y-axis minus 5. Y-axis minus 3, minus 5. He is asking minus 3, minus 5. See, minus 3, minus 5. Meeting point, what is there? He is asking only point. What is the point is there? E is the point. So this answer is E is the answer. Minus 3, minus 5, meeting point E. This finished. Next, the point identify the coordinates 2, minus 4. We will write point 2, minus 4. This is the 2, this is the minus 4. This point what? G. So this answer is G, you can write 2, minus 4. G you can write. G you can write. Next, the abscissa of the point D. Where is the D is there? Here D is there. First we will write the coordinates. D coordinates, what is there? First we will see x-axis. X-axis, what is there? 6. Next, y-axis, what is there? 2. X-axis 6, y-axis 2. E is asking the abscissa. Abscissa means x coordinate. Abscissa means x coordinates. So what is the D abscissa? What is there? 6 is the answer. Abscissa is the x coordinate is called abscissa. So what is the answer? 6 is the answer. Next, the ordinate of the point H. Where is the H is there? First we will see. This is the H. First we will write the coordinates. X-axis see, minus 5 is there. Next, y-axis you see, minus 3 is there. H means this is the H, minus 5, minus 3. He is asking the ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate is called the ordinate. So this answer is what? Minus 3 is the answer. Okay. Next see the coordinates of the point L. Where is the L? You can search it. L. Here L is there. See here. It is on the y-axis. On the y-axis means first what we will take? First we will take 0. Next we will take 5. On the y-axis is there means first 0, next number. X-axis means number 0. Y-axis means 0, number. So first, so L, it is on the y-axis there. First we will take 0. Next we will take 5. So this answer is L coordinates what? 0, 5. So you can write here 0, 5. Okay. Next, the coordinates of the point M. Where is the M? Here M. It is on the x-axis is there. On the x-axis means first we will take the number. Number means here which number is there? Minus 3. So you take minus 3, 0. Here minus 3 is there, 0. On the x-axis is there means first we will take the number, next to 0. So this coordinates what is there? Minus 3, 0. Only this much is the answer. You see the diagram, carefully you write the answers. This is the last sum of this coordinate geometry lesson. I hope are you clear? I think again you have any doubt also comment it. Subscribe my channel.